This is my dropshipping journey I would like to share with you guys, where I made $3,000 in profit in 2 months selling these kitchen scissors. I've personally stepped away from this business model, but I would like to share it with you guys still. So what I did is I found a product I thought I would like on AliExpress. Then I went to Shopify and I figured out how to build a website. It's a lot easier than you would expect. This is where I created a website that I was proud of, which allowed me to get quite a few conversions on my product, due to the hard work put into the product page and advertisements. I simply thought to myself, what kind of website would I buy from? And how can I make it seem as trustworthy as possible? And through these steps, I was able to bring in $11,000 in sales in 2 months, which after advertising, shipping, and product cost, I was able to bring in around $3,000 in profit. However, for my next business venture, I definitely won't take the route of dropshipping, which leaves many customers unhappy due to long shipping times, and keeping customers happy is very important.